Hello guys, this is the second part of the ArcGIS Pro, in which we can which we can be show the how you can create contours or dim file. So this is whenever you open your ArcGIS Pro. So this is the first view in which you can click, for example, like this. So they will be give the name of the project, the location where you can locate your this project. So so by clicking OK, you can be see like this kind of stuff. uh, why they are like this? So for example, if I go to the map, and this is the map area, for example, if I click on it, so this whenever I click on this word hill shade, so we will be found like this. So because of this properties, this coordinate system, so it will be like this. If you can change the coordinate system from the geographic world and WGS 1984, so they will be visible the whole world. So I am interested in this area. um, so how you know that this area, the UTM zone will be 42? So this area you can find this 42 is the UTM zone. So you can right click on it, properties, and go to the projection, go to the UTM, go to the WGS, northern hemisphere, and go to the 42° north. So okay, so you can extract your base map like this. So first thing which we can see it, uh, what will be the how we can add like this roads. So you can use the GIS data of the every country road shape, but when you use the localized shapefile, so you will be go to the uh, analysis, insert, view tools, and the view tool, you can go to the this. Okay, so it geoprocessing, and the geoprocessing, when you search in contour, so this is the 3D analytical tool. uh, okay, so I am firstly doing the how to add the how to add the these points in the your basement. So go to the geoprocessing. You can use the light the edit. So this is the points which I created, and how you created these point. You can go to the catalog, you can right click on it, new, and shapefile. And this shapefile you can name it, you can name the class, you can what is the polygon. So I create the polygon, also I create the formation. So for the formation points, so you can click the points, and like this you can create the current map and then run it. So whenever you run it, so it will be look like this, and you can create different points. And by editing, you can add like this, create, like for example this, you can add like this kind of points where you need it. And for the roads, you can create the straightforward roads. And for example, if you are interested in the like for example this kind of polygon in which you can represent different types of road, so whenever you create it and go into this, so you can modify your uh, polygon, or the uh, this shape file. So you can also modify it by edit vertices. So you can, for example, this you can modify where you can look better. So by removing everything, whenever you click on this, So it will be give a whole data which point is and how you name it, and it also give the XY latitude longitude data. And this polygon, and also they give the data for by clicking on it. Okay, so I can this save it, and I, for example, if you go to the attribute table, you can check your this also by visiting this uh, light blue color. You can clear it and cross it. So this kind of points and uh, points and your contour lines. Oh, what about the contour lines? Contour lines, you can go to the you can go to the geo preferences, and you can search in contour. By adding contour, you can add your dim file for the contour map. You must be know that dim file be important, and how dim file you can download it. You can download it from the USGC. So you can add your dim file. This is the different data, your output, and you can run it. Whenever you run it, you can see this kind of stuff. So this kind of contour map you can you can be see it. If you are not like the label, so you can remove the label by clicking on this one. You can see the label is 52 meter away or above from the sea level. So whenever this small circle, it represents highest elevation, known as 600, and whenever this is the lowest elevation, okay, like 510 meter. So this kind of stuff you can do it in the ArcGIS Pro to make the contour lines, to make the points data, to make the like roads, rivers, and to make the polygons. And you can also georeference your map area. For example, I georeferences this map. How you can georeference? You can drag the image and georeference it, and you can georeference your data. Okay, so this cannot visible. Whenever you drag it, it will be visible. Let's see in next video how to georeference the data.